Hi, this is question number 59 on stoichiometry. What mass of ethine is produced when 3.5 moles of calcium carbide, that's calcium carbide there, are completely reacted with water? Now this is the equation of reaction here. CaC2, that's your calcium carbide, and then you have 2H2O. Now we have C2H2, that's your ethine, plus we have calcium hydroxide there, CaOH2. Now, this equation, is it balanced? The calcium on both sides is 1, your carbon on both sides is 2, your hydrogen on both sides is 4, and your oxygen on both sides, I'm seeing 2 there, so it's balanced, alright? Now, we are trying to get the mass of this ethine here. So let's quickly get the molar mass of ethine, okay? So that'll be 2 multiplied by whatever carbon is, plus 2 multiplied by whatever hydrogen is, and then that just gives us what? 12 times 2, that's 24, and then plus 2, that's 26. That's right? Okay, so leave that aside. What mass of ethine is produced if I have 3.5 moles of calcium carbide? From this equation here, you can see that 1 mole of your calcium carbide produces 1 mole of your ethine. So that means that 3.5 moles of calcium carbide will also produce 3.5 moles of ethine. Okay, that's just what it means. It's logical, right? It's logical. So the moles of ethine produced in this question is going to be 3.5 moles. You can see that. Now, moles is basically mass over molar mass. So I'll just write that here. Moles is mass divided by molar mass. I know that most of you are familiar with this. So this will help us. Now, we have the moles of our ethine there, and we also have the molar mass of ethine that we've calculated. So that means mass is really easy. It's just going to be moles times molar mass. And that would be 3.5 multiplied by 26, which is just, what is that? What's 3.5 multiplied by 26? That's 91. Okay, 91 grams. That's what it's going to be. And that's our answer as well. That's the mass. And that's all. I'll see you on 16.